Today we are going to do Bob's famous smoke fried wings.
He can roll 2 baskets. We're gonna go flats, drums, and see where they go. They gotta turn molasses.
I've noticed on the Searwood that when I do the smoke fried wings, they do not turn out as crispy as they have at his house on the Kamado. So we're gonna start here and then we're gonna roll over to his place and do them on the Kamado. And we're gonna compare them.
See what it is. Yeah. So it's pellet versus charcoal.
Deep basement.
All right, so we have a whole Costco chicken pack. How many wings is that?
It's the 6. I've done, it's like 65 to 75, depending.
I mean, it's the best deal you can get if you're gonna get wings.
So these are pre-cut, which is huge, which means someone actually cut all this.
So we're gonna cut them up, he's gonna drain them, we're gonna stick them on here and dry them out. We're gonna cover them in olive oil in a bowl. And then what we got going on for later is 4 different seasonings we're gonna try. And then we're gonna toss some of them. Bob, you taught me this. The only way you turn a regular hot sauce into a wing hot sauce is?
Butter.
And how do you do it?
You put this in a pan on low, like a saucepan, and add a shitload of butter. So they have the one that's red hot wing sauce, but it's fake butter. After many years of doing this, you gotta make like a little pocket up top, then you cut this way so the juice doesn't go all over your kitchen area or hands. This is really my wife's training because she hates when I get wing sauce everywhere, but this is the way. This is trial and error, many failures. And we don't wash these scissors, we just rinse them off. So I always pull them out like this.
Yeah, that makes sense. And then do you just dump those into the sink?
I drink it, but yes, you can do whatever you want.
Do you mix it with like a shot of vodka or what?
Yeah, Tito's. But you want to get them as dry as possible, like Chad's doing now.
Yeah, we might run out of room here.
So sometimes I put another layer of paper towels.
Let's do that, that's perfect. And by the way, these are the 2 baskets we were mentioning. Second one just arrived. So we're gonna put the drums on first and then try to catch the wings up, is that right?
Yeah. So I have 1 basket on my Kamado. I don't have a lot of space like his Searwood. So I gotta roll first flats, pull them, everybody eats them, then I roll the drums, and then I'm like the last one standing, only one eating them.
Which is the way you like it.
Normally, yeah. And you, or the people who drink and then eat.
Correct.
You should really eat while you grill, a little bit.
Correct.
Drink a lot.
Keeps that metabolism going.
Yeah, and then pound. Pound the meal.
So we're good.
Yeah, we're good. This is great. Oh, nice. Got a wooden spoon and everything. This is the way. Yeah, you can be liberal, don't worry, because it's all gonna burn.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and mount the 2 baskets. Here, go ahead. So this side, as we know from our video on the
infrared,
the whole thing, that this side is hot, this side's not as hot. So yeah, definitely drums. We're gonna start with the drums, right? So we're not gonna fill that yet.
Right.
So what's the reason that we don't season ahead of time?
So the seasoning gets stuck all up on your basket and you lose all the seasoning.
So you end up seasoning the basket.
It's all up here and your basket's just filled with black seasoning and your wings aren't seasoned. So I do only olive oil, pull them. You gotta do it quick. Put the dry rub on, whatever you like, whatever seasoning is money.
We're looking good, so let's go ahead and fire her up. 400 degrees from the very beginning.
400.
We will be back to check on these in like 10 minutes.
Here we are about 30 minutes, you think, 28. All right, so drums are sweating a little bit like we like them. Getting a little brown. Perfect.
I've had some practice.
Do you work for Weber?
Perfect.
No soldiers left, no soldiers left behind.
Let's make sure it can handle all the weight.
This is a good color.
So we're good with the turning?
Yeah, very good color.
So we check in what, maybe another 30 minutes?
30 minutes.
All right, what do we got, Bob?
Okay, so we're 43 minutes into the flats. We're like, we didn't set a timer.
Like an hour 15 on the drums?
Yeah, let's see how they are. So this brown color, molasses, what we want all the way through.
Looking good.
So see the little bit of white there on the drum? We want that to get brown.
And we're not worried about overcooking them?
No.
So what do you think, 500?
500.
450, what?
500.
How long?
5-10 minutes.
All right.
We're gonna have to sit here and watch.
Hit the button. Just push it in.
God, it's so easy. I like it a lot. Holy crap, that's hot. These are very, very close. I say 2 minutes.
So a whole stick of butter,
Yeah.
and then how much of that?
It's like half this bottle.
Oh, I'm salivating already. Oh yeah.
Now I'm gonna check the wings, make sure it didn't burn them.
Should we take a peek?
Yeah. So these ones I wanna look at. Yeah, so these,
Oh man.
honestly, these are ready.
I think these are too, man.
I know.
Oh my God, it smells fantastic.
Yeah, I think we're good. We're ready.
Yeah, we're done.
Brown all the way through, no whites. Even on, this is the main issue, the drums. These ones, they cook much faster. We put these on first. This is the way. Oh yeah, those are smoke fried. They're crispy. We did it.
Oh
finally.
yeah, they are.
See?
Oh man, they're so crispy when I'm
Right.
grabbing them. Listen to that, they're crackling.
Yeah. So when your wings like even 50 degrees over, or what's chicken? 165?
165.
Doesn't matter for wings.
I think we're gonna chow down tonight. 4 different seasonings,
Yeah, dish out.
that helps for sure.
It'll be quicker.
Much quicker.
And you want to go liberal. They look money as hell. This is it.
Let's try one dry. All right, this is Wing Magic. Take a Wing Magic. Cheers.
son. Hot, hot.
Very crispy,
And juicy.
very good.
Yes. This is the way. I gotta try it all day, I guess.
Yep. Oh, Old Bay is where it's at.
Bomb. Dirty Bird. So that's my favorite. Dirty Bird. God damn. They're perfect.
Let's toss.
Oh yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
I need to toss some more flats in there.
Yeah, that's the way. How can you mess with that? That's perfect.
That's damn good.
Right?
Super bomb, crispy,
Flavorful.
flavorful,
Juicy.
juicy on the inside. Once you toss them,
They're amazing, yeah.
oh my God.
But add
so
that
good.
butter.
Cheers, gents.
Cheers, man.
All right, welcome to round 2 of the smoke fried wings test. It's the Weber Searwood versus the Kamado Joe.
It's the Big Joe, Big Joe.
The Big Joe. We're at Bob's place now, which you haven't seen yet. Super nice setup behind us. Bob, take it away.
Yeah, welcome to my crib. This is the Kamado Big Joe Series 1. It was like $2,000 cheaper than the Series 3 at the time I bought it. From Amazon delivered during COVID times, I think. This is the JoeTisserie setup. So she's all set up to fire up here. We're gonna light her. But this is a super expensive cage. This is a nice Blackstone. So we sear a lot of steaks here.
All right, well, let's get this JoeTisserie fired up.
So one trick my buddy told me, I used to buy like fire starters. If you soak a paper towel in olive oil and twist it and light one end, they burn slow because of the olive oil and you don't have to buy fire starters. And we're using lump, it burns hotter, longer, and less waste. So less stuff to get out of your grill. So I buy these from like Ace.
Nice.
This baby low. All we gotta do is light one end. And I put 3 in. Sometimes I roll with 2, but I didn't want this to be, you know, not work for the video. And always be safe with this, it's very hot.
All right, so we'll be back once this thing's ready to go and we're ready to put the wings on in the basket. We'll see you in a few minutes.
All right, so Kamado's it's at 400. So when you're on the Kamado, the very important thing is we really want to do it around 350, but it's okay because when we put the cold wings on, it's going to drop the temp. So you shut this. Very nice. So now
So-
they should sit here. It honestly might raise about 25 degrees, but it'll sit here forever as long as it has fuel when you hit your temp.
So as long as we're doing the comparison between the smoke fried wings on the Kamado and the smoke fried wings on the Searwood, how long did it take to get this up to temp?
This took 39 minutes.
Okay, so there's a trade-off. The Searwood would take about 10 minutes to get to temp, but the charcoal flavor, like I'm smelling it now, and I'm loving that old school charcoal flavor that I can't get on the Searwood.
You do love that.
I do love that.
So I also have, I always buy some fresh hickory from, I buy it from Walmart, Weber, whatever, but sometimes it's very cheap. It's cheaper on Amazon sometimes. But you put a hunk of this
Does it come
in.
from China if you buy it on Amazon?
No, this is US, you can tell.
Texas? Texas wood?
This may be from Chile, I'm not sure. But you put one of these on when you put your food on, the first, they say what, 10 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes gets the flavor. This is gonna smoke like money and light up my whole neighborhood with the taste of hickory.
That is nice.
So I can only roll one basket as well. Chad on the Searwood, we can roll 2 baskets. So the one difference, it doesn't have a spike through the middle. It comes with this cage, which collapses a little nicer than the Chinese. All right, so we're gonna roll drums first. It's supposed to be about an hour. It's usually a little more at 400, then we do flats. And these have just been covered in olive oil. I did it earlier today, so we didn't have to watch me cut them. So we're gonna try to find all the drums. We also should put these Forever Tongs.
You need help? You want to hold that while I do it?
Yes.
These tongs are bomb.
These are Forever Tongs.
Are we gonna link to this too?
Yes, these
So
are money as hell.
What makes this Forever Tongs?
Because they never break. So they're supposed to be delicate. They can hold 40 pounds. I'm not sure if that's true, the 40-pound thing, but. So I've put up to like 7 pounds of wings in here at once, one time. It took longer, but they still rolled.
Get your hot gloves, man, because I can feel the heat resonating off that big time.
Yeah, so my dog took one of my hot gloves to the yard and I just found it's a little moldy, but I think it'll be all right.
Did he pee on it?
I dried it out in the sun. It's been very hot here recently, but
Yeah, these are nice.
they're Forever Tongs.
Oh, that's nice. Watch that flame now.
Yeah, it's hot, a little bit hot.
Oh yeah, that's looking money already, dude. Look at that.
Yeah. So we're sticking, which is okay, because once it gets hot, it'll unstick.
So how long is this gonna go?
1 hour.
All right, we'll see you in 1 hour.
And that's very hot. It's definitely over 400, but yes, we'll see you in an hour. Let's do it.
All right, here we are about 50 minutes in.
Yeah, 50 minutes in. They're coming together nicely. So we want all this white to turn molasses brown.
They look awesome.
So why don't we add one more piece of hickory just to
Let's
get the
do it.
smell, you know?
Yeah.
This is a nice, good American chunk.
I think that's Chinese chunk.
This is from Texas. I can tell.
So what are we looking at? Another maybe 20 minutes, you think?
Yeah, I would say 20 minutes, 15 maybe.
Yeah.
All right, so we've hit molasses brown. A little bit darker than that, but I think it's gonna be money.
It looks amazing.
It's been an hour 30.
Hour 30.
So the drums
These
are
are
always
ready.
harder. Hala batata! So my dog chewed my things and I got a whole.
I like
is
this
nice.
basket style. We got the rain going on in the background.
Let me get my cornhole boards because it's getting rained on.
Oh yeah, go get those.
Yeah, they are
I'll do
wood.
this while you do that. No,
All right, power went out again. It's okay.
Power out again.
You guys just hold on.
We may have to run these inside before the rain gets too hardcore. All right, power back on, that's good. This is tornado weather down here in Texas.
Yeah, right. All right, so this is lemon pepper, red hot original seasoned blend. It's kind of like the sauce. And then hit it one with the dirty bird, and then one we're gonna go Lowry, son.
Okay, I'm gonna start with lemon pepper.
This is lemon pepper.
What's that?
That's red hot.
I'm starting with that. Cheers.
Cheers, sir. Super crispy.
Super money.
Yeah, the red hot.
The red hot's where it's at. I want to give my first
Please.
goddamn charcoal more smoke flavor. I feel like what we did on the Searwood the other day was just as crispy, but this has the charcoal smoke
Yeah, it has that.
goddamn flavor.
With the Kamado Joe, you're gonna have, so it was 90 minutes, it's gonna take a lot of time, but they turn out perfect. But you're thinking about 35 to 40 minute charcoal start, then 90 minutes. When we put them on, so it's been 2 hours and
So the Searwood ones were just as crispy, just as good flavor-wise, but not as smoky. The Searwood is super convenient. Less than half the time to cook the same amount of wings with
way
2
faster.
baskets. You can put flats on one basket, drums in the other one, be done in about an hour and a half. This took us about 3 hours.
About 3, yeah.
But you don't get the smoke flavor. We got to try to figure out how we can get that smoke flavor on the Searwood with some
Yeah, that'd be
experiments
funny.
coming up in the future, which we will do. I love my Searwood, but I miss the charcoal flavor.
That's why I'm here. Cheers.
So, cheers.
Deep basement.
Bob wants us to do this taste test, red hot versus what? Cristal, which is Louisiana versus Missouri. We do the red hot in butter for the wing sauce, which is amazing. And you're saying we won't be able to tell the difference. Okay, hand it over.
And don't look at the color or anything.
Okay, here you go.
But if you taste
That's
it-
for you. This is for me. Is this the same one?
Are these the
It's the same one.
Okay,
same?
cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
Okay. That is money though, but I must say. Next.
What does it taste like?
Hot sauce.
Yeah,
Correct.
They're both about yeah.
All right, cheers. Wow.
So that one's the Cristal.
What do you think?
I'm not sure which is which, but I'm just gonna tell you which one I like better.
Which one?
Number one.
And Donnie?
Number one.
Number one.
So you both like Cristal better?
Yeah, are
that
you
the
sure
Cristal?
about that?
No, it's the opposite. It's
Red hot, just like I thought.
Red hot.
Yeah.
But they're very similar, they're not.
They're similar, but red hot is definitely better.
Better, yeah.
Okay, just wanted to test.
Is that right, girls? Red hot?
Yeah.
Number one was red hot?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, there you go. Red hot versus Cristal.
That's the
Go with
winner.
red hot.